Uh-oh, look at all that.
Oh,
Look at that big hole
on.
there.
Let's see if there's anything up in there.
I hope there's not.
You know, critters get up in here too. This is a perfect spot during the winter.
Well, I tell you, it's a shame though that they leave just these big cuts like that.
Well, they did every time too.
Without sealing it up. The only way to do it is to put something over it.
I got some roll flashing.
Oh,
We can cut a piece, yeah.
Okay, I'm coming back with it.
All right.
That ought to be just about right. Wow. What kind of shears are these?
Under shears.
Is this what they use to cut your hair?
You realize if you put that up and then we start hearing a knock on the other side.
Yeah, we got problems there.
Hey, let me out.
Yeah, and see that bottom, the horizontal piece is down below it, so I gotta slot it for that whole thing, don't I? Let's see how close I am on this. Tell you what, I'm gonna lay on the ground. Do you have any kind of pillow? Yeah, there it is right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need more.
Yeah, a little bit. Watch your head.
Don't drip any of that on me. Got a feeling I'm gonna need a Band-Aid here in a minute.
All right.
All right. Okay, you wanna hold it, push it in place?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah. There it is. What gets me though is, now that didn't take us, I mean, what, 10 minutes tops.
Right.
A little bit of effort.
Probably $5 worth of material.
Yeah.
All right, bring on the cold weather.
That's right.